Hey homebuyers, if you're looking for a great condo unit in the heart of Lindenwoods, one with a walkout balcony nearby all amenities, and that also has one 2-bedroom unit, with a large ensuite bathroom, in-suite laundry, and an open floor plan that features a designated kitchen, dining, and living space, and not to mention 2 outdoor parking stalls, this is the unit for you. There's so much to love about the 177 Victor Lewis Drive complex, from the ample visitor parking, to the rec center, to the outdoor pool, and even the racquet courts. Come check it out for yourself. If you have any additional questions, please reach out to our team at any time.